Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your massage therapy clinic. If you run a massage therapy clinic, then manually responding to all the queries about massages and offers can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI agent which will respond to all of these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that we have created for our massage therapy clinic. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen and show you how it works in a real-time example. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI assistant, the user is supposed to send a specific message which is, "Hey, I need help." So I'm going to send it, and the AI assistant responds us with, "I'm here for you. What do you need help with?" So here I'm going to respond with, what type of massage services do you offer? And our chatbot responds us with, "We offer a range of massage therapies including Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, sports massage, aromatherapy, prenatal massage. Each sessions can be tailored to meet your specific needs. If you have any other questions or need more details, just let me know." So here I'm going to ask another question as, "Are your therapists certified?" And it responds us with, "Yes, all of our massage therapists are fully certified and trained in professional massage therapy techniques. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to ask." So here I'm going to ask another question as, "Do you have any gift vouchers?" And our chatbot responds us with, "Yes, we offer customizable gift vouchers for all our massage packages. They make great gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, or wellness occasions. If you need more details on how to purchase one, just let me know." So this is how our AI assistant responds to each and every question on the basis of the knowledge source provided by us. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating AI assistant, and for that access the feature from here And then to create a new AI assistant, simply click on Add AI Assistant. Here we have to provide our AI assistant name. So here I have named it as Massage Therapy Clinic AI Assistant, and then I'm going to click on Add AI Assistant. And here we will be directed to this page. Here we have to select instruction type, and when you click on it, you get a list of all the instructions. Here I'm going to select AI Agent, and it provides us primary functions as well as constraints. Then I'm going to move ahead with AI configuration, in which I'm going to select temperature. It says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So here I'm going to set creativity level as 0.6. Then I'm going to select AI tool as OpenAI, and then I'm going to select AI model as GPT 4.0 mini. Here we have to provide an API token. To generate API token, we have to visit OpenAI API keys page. Click on it and you will be redirected to API keys page. Here we get a list of all the previously generated API keys. To create a new one, click on Create New Secret Key. Here we have to provide our assistant name, Massage Therapy Clinic AI Assistant, and I'm going to keep the settings as default. And then I'm going to click on Create Secret Key. Here we are provided with the secret key. Copy this and paste it in the place of API token. Then click on Connect, and OpenAI key saved successfully. Then we can move ahead with our AI assistant settings. So if you want to provide a header message, simply enable the toggle and provide your header message here. Similarly, you can provide footer, stop keywords, or retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled, and here we get a default fallback message. You can customize it according to your needs. I will access the knowledge source, and here we have to upload a knowledge source file on the basis of which our AI assistant will respond. Make sure that your knowledge source has all the details related to your clinic, because our AI assistant will only be able to respond on the basis of the knowledge source provided by us. Also make sure that the knowledge source size is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. So here I'm going to drag my file. Here I have uploaded my knowledge source, and it says file uploaded and processed successfully. Here our file is uploaded. So we can move ahead with assistant interface. Here we have to provide a display heading name. So I'm going to name it as Massage Therapy Clinic, which will appear like this to the user. Then we have to provide header display subheading name. I'm going to leave it as it is. It will appear here. Then we have initial message as hi there, how can I assist you today? So here you can also customize it as hey, how can I assist you today? And to register it, simply tap on enter and your initial message will appear here. I'm going to remove it, and here it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it is displaying powered by Pabbly, and to disable it, simply select disable from the drop down and it will stop displaying the powered by Pabbly label. Here I'm going to enable it, and here we can also customize privacy policy as per our massage therapy clinic. You have to provide your policy link here. This is an important aspect because this is the message by which our AI assistant will be activated. So once the user sends this message, only then our AI agent will be able to respond. So here I'm going to customize it as, hey, I need help. Now once the user sends this message, our AI assistant will be activated. Now I'm going to move ahead with the last option, that is styling. Here we can customize appearance of our AI assistant as per our needs. Here you can change the theme from light to dark, or you can even change your assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can change assistant background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. From here you can change the header profile picture which appears here, and you can even change assistant profile picture or the background picture. And once you are done with all the customization, enable this toggle message which will make our AI assistant activated and fully functional. So once you are done with all the modifications and you are satisfied with all the settings of your AI assistant, save the AI assistant. The AI assistant is saved successfully. You are good to go. If you want to create an AI assistant, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.